Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm reviewing something that should help us both. This should help me with my recording and make it, more pleasant for you guys watching. This is basically just an LED light with multiple different lighting colour changes and various different filters and so on, and it was very, very cheap. I think it was £2 something, bear with me. It was £2.99, which is insanely cheap. It's got an internal battery and it comes, as I say, pre-programmed with lots of different bits and bobs. So we'll do a quick review of it and see if it's worth the tiny amount of money I paid for it. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my patrons. You guys are absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for everything you do. I do genuinely really appreciate it. And if you'd like to join them and get all the perks that come with it, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, here it is. W70 RGB LED video light. It says it's model W70 and it's 7 watts. Voltage 3.7 volts at 1200 milliamp hours. The sizing is here. Then we got colour temperature between 3000 and 9000 Kelvin. Type-C charging and using time 1 hour to 10 hours. I'd assume that's dependent on what doojit you do. And it's 95 grams. This was only pennies, so I will see how much it was in a minute and see if it's worthwhile. Okay, so here it is, and what I love is it's got these little notches in here for other things. This is where my microphone would go if I'm using this on top, so I've still got somewhere to place the microphone, so it means you've got 3 other places and you're only taking up 1. On the back you have a variety of buttons, negative, plus, I'm trying to read it on the screen because I can't actually see it, CCT, I think that's the brightness. It's really hard to see what the writing says. Getting old, guys. FX and RGB. So let's turn it on. And it's bright white. Do you know, it's not a bad colour white actually. Okay, now does this do anything? No, I wish that would been a doojit for changing the light. Red, yellow, green, blue, purple, purpler, red, yellow, green. Okay, so that's just all the RGBs. I'm going to have a look at what the actual instructions tell me rather than just pressing everything, although that's most fun. So, that's all the blurb we've already read. So, we got RGB. Short press is colour selection. Long press is colour ring selection. I've got no idea what that means. So, what was it? So, RGB long press. Let's see what that does. That's RGB. Long press. Oh, I see. So we can choose the colours. By pressing and holding, it will slowly go through them, and as soon as I let go, it'll stop. So I got my finger on it still, and it's still changing to different colours. And now I let go, and that'll stay on that colour. That's pretty cool. And then just one press, and it will take us from each one. Okay. Completely blinded myself. I hope you appreciate it. Then your FX, your... Okay. Radiant style, slow, fast, flash mode, broken bulb pattern, candlelight pattern, television lighting, torch light mode, police car mode, and SOS mode. So mode 1 on the FX button. Boop. What did that say it was? Radiant cycle slow. So that's going to go through all the colours. Do you know, it's so bright. It's blinding me. And then this one should be going through them fast. I'm getting my sunglasses on. Okay, that's better. I've genuinely got some sunglasses on. Right. Then we got mode 3 is flash mode. And I think that's the lightning, isn't it? That we decided, well, that I decided it was lightning. Yeah. Okay, so that's lightning. I won't keep doing that. I don't want to cause any problems. Broken bulb is number 4. Oh, I see. So it's just going to come on and off every now and again. Then we got candle light. I may or may not have just run out of memory in the camera. Right, where were we? Candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is candle, and this is pretty good. I just shined it up against the wall. It should show up pretty well in this. Maybe not. I should be. Let me shine it down on here. You should be able to see it's like flickering. It's not translating to the camera very well at the moment. I could put it in a light box and show you, but I can't be bothered because I'm too lazy. Right, then we got television lighting, which is supposed to look like you got TV on. I can see it. It's just colour, changing the colour temperature. This is what you can buy, like one of those home security things where you put it in your living room when you go away and it makes it look like you're watching a TV. Okay, and then we got torchlight mode. I don't get what that's supposed to be. The best one is this one though. Look at this. If I was still at college, there'd be a lot of fun I could have with this one. There'd be a lot of flushing toilets, if you get my drift. Okie dokie, and the last one is SOS mode, which is just SOS. I don't know why this would be on this, but in case you're on location and you get lost, I suppose. Then you obviously, like I said, we've got the negative and positive to turn down the light and turn up the light, etc. All in all, I am pretty impressed with this, to be honest. I don't know if I said, but all these LEDs tell you what you're on when you press different buttons. It changes. And it's Type-C chargeable, which, you know, everything I bought recently is all Type-C chargeable, and I'm so happy that it is, you know. All in all, I am pretty damn happy with this. Really like it. Okay, I've just gone to have a look to see how much this was. And it was a huge £2.99. It's a bargain. This is going to live on top of my camera from now on. This is absolutely incredible. I'm going to put it on charge, fully charge it, and then this will be everywhere. This will come everywhere with me. It's small and it works really, really well. I can't imagine this not being useful in almost every situation. Very, very cheap and works really, really well. Okay, this is fabulous. For the price, £2.99, you can't beat that kind of price. I wish I'd got more before the price went back up, but the price does drop and so on every now and again, so just keep your eyes on it. But yeah, highly recommend this. This is an absolutely awesome piece of kit. It's small, but it does exactly what it says, and it's bright enough to do everything you need. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.